them back to Binfield?
Oh, I can get them.
Can you?
Yeah.
Yeah, no youth team game.
Oh, right. Oh, not the same sort of, well, some of them maybe.
Two of the boys on the bench for the youth team, yeah.
Well done, team! That's why they've done rest. Let them carry on. I don't understand. What, a blue hat on? No, got it that time.
I thought you wanted to get by.
Come on! Gotta read it. Good, well played, Joe. That's in. Ooh, fucking hell.
Close that.
Well done, Dan! Well done, Dan! Hold! Everybody there. Go on. Go on in!
Go on, drive!
Go on, Cole.
Go on!
Man up, Tallers!
Maybe.
Good head.
Gaz is going immense. Yeah.
Go on, Jordy!
Come on, Jordy, get stuck in!
Is that one of your wingers, is it?
Yeah, he's
Go on, Luke!
Unlucky, Luke.
Good try.
Travel, son! Well done!
Hey, Jordy, well done! Get him up!
Well done, George!
What a strike.
Hey?
That's been polished. Put it down for a minute. Everyone get in, boys.
Alex, where's the champagne? Champagne slowly.
We'll have another one. One ladies first, then we'll move over.
And the Barmy Army.
Yay! Hello.
Wrong way round.
Bear with, go guys. You're ready, let's get you on.
I heard it this way.
There you go, the management. Well done, fellas. Fantastic day. Tally, I bet that's a proud moment. Your first cup for the Binfield side.
Yeah, very proud. You know, I've just got nothing but great words for the lads. They were unbelievable tonight. You know, I thought we deserved to win that game as well. It was a tough game. We know Shortwood have got other priorities and stuff like that, but at the end of the day, I said to the boys before the game, you know, it's not a day out for us, it's about coming here and doing the job. You know, don't play the occasion, play the game, and I felt we'd done that tonight. I thought we were outstanding.
I mean, Ian Davis scored two brilliant goals, but at the back we were superb, weren't we? I mean, Gary and Shoney didn't miss a thing all night.
No, I think the back four and Dan 5 were just like solid tonight. You know, it's fantastic. You know, and the lads in front, you know, made that easier for them as well by putting in a great shift tonight. The whole team put in a great shift.
I mean, Bose as coach, obviously a proud moment for you as well, but everyone seemed to run their socks off and nobody really looked tired at the end. We were worried on the sidelines they might look knackered.
That's right, and the chaps, you know, they did run the extra mile. They needed to run the extra mile tonight because we're playing for cups. There's no good turning up and just doing half a job. So happy days, boys. But you know, the difference is, you know, I've got to say it, is you've got to have strikers. You know, the first chance we had, Ian was through. It was a goal before he'd actually touched the ball. You knew it, and then the second goal as well. So well done, Ian, and well done, Cole, for your unselfish work up front.
And so, first of hopefully 3 cup finals and successfully negotiated. I mean, it's going to be a bit difficult to come down and play properly on Saturday, isn't it?
Let's go about Henley Saturday. That's right. We've got to concentrate on Henley Saturday. We're going to, you know, regroup. You know, we've got a plan B for Saturday, so we'll have a chat with the lads to see who's covered up for Saturday and sort that out first before we worry about Tuesday.
And any big celebrations tonight, Tally, or are you banning them from getting too mad?
No, we're gonna celebrate.
Well,
Enjoy the wins.
Exactly.
Come back to the club with us, Carl.
Yeah. Okay, mate. I will do. Well, you go and enjoy that, fellas, and look forward to Saturday and then next Tuesday.
Just one other thing. I was just say. I mean, Cole Bennett, he's standing on the side. Cole, come in, Cole. Because you know, at the end of the day, it's a big. You know, it's a big team effort, and it, you know, goes through all the, you know, Binfield supporters, you know, the chairman and the sponsors, all the, you know, all the backroom staff. You know, superb first trophy, and let's take it on again, guys.
Yeah. Thanks very much, fellas.
Win some more.
Win some more, everybody.
And you as well, Colin.